Good morning. I'm making some herbal smoke this morning, and Mikey thought it would be a good idea for me to share with you how I make it. So, I was a smoker for a really long time, and it was very hard for me to quit, and one of the things that helped me was I came up with this herbal smoke blend, and for a while when I went to parties, I would just bring these cigarettes along, and it was just enough to help me through the hard times. So, what it is a mullein, which is a fuzzy feeling plant. It's a leaf that we grow here. It grows pretty well in New Mexico. Mullein as a tea or a smoke expectorates the lungs. So it's good at the end of a cold. If you had a lot of lung stuff, it'll help you cough it out. And the same with a smoker, it'll help you cough it out. Right now I'm breathing in the dust of it, it's making me cough. So to the mullein I add chamomile, same chamomile you'd use in a tea. These are the whole flowers. I'll break it down a little by just rubbing it in my hands. The next is marshmallow. Marshmallow is soothing to the mucilaginous areas of the body, especially as a tea. It gives the smoke blend depth, which is hard to get on a smoke blend. You know, usually it burns too fast and it's hot and it burns the throat. So things like mullein give it depth. So do things like hops. So this is hops powder. I add this at the end. And lobelia is a plant that actually reduces the effect of nicotine withdrawal, so it'll help anyone who's actually trying to quit tobacco. It's also an expectorant. People can take it for emphysema, asthma, cough. And then finally I add a little bit of spearmint, and that's really just for flavor. So these things combined are actually helpful to someone who is clearing out their lungs and quitting smoking, and then they're really combined based on giving it some depth like a cigarette smoker wants. It feels heavy like a tobacco. Anyway, good luck. We sell it in our online store if you want to buy it from me, or you can make it yourself.